Good morning, this is Teresa with my Everyday Housewife Journeys. Today's wellness video. Um, I met with my health coach yesterday morning. Last 2 weeks, my monthly goal was to lose 5 to 10 pounds. Uh, I've got notes here to go by. I'll be looking down. The last 2 weeks goal was number one was to cut back on sweets and grains, and number two was to keep a food diary and track my hives that show up. And so far over the past 2 weeks, it seems like when I get hives, is when I get too much sweets and grains. I think grains especially, I'm not quite positive on that. And number three was to aim for 5,000 steps. And I'm doing fairly well with those. It's my nose is itching, but I'm doing fairly well with those. I'm cutting back on the sweets and grains pretty good. I am writing down everything that I eat and drink. Not mostly, and symptoms, my hive symptom especially. And the step count I'm still working on. I want, before I move up to 5,000, I'm taking it in steps. I want to get to 3,000 steps consistently before I move on up. And I think I'm just about there. It's going to be a slow process because I have asthma, and when I get, I've noticed lately when I get too much going on, my asthma acts up, so gotta take it easy. And for the every 2 week weight loss plans, she wanted me to aim for 1 to 2 pounds or more, and that's going okay. My scale results is February 10th when we started with the health coach. I was at 289.1. Yesterday morning I was at 287, which is a total weight loss of, to date, is a total weight loss of 2.1 pounds. I've lost more, but this is when I started with the health coach. The next 2 weeks, everything is going to be the same, with one added, the exception, we added another goal, and I've started doing this anyway, is replacing half of my sugar in baking with stevia. And that also seems to be helping with controlling my hives. So that is the non-scale victory that I have this over the past since February 1st is drinking more water. It's been hard for me in the past, but I've realized that I need more water in my system, so I've been doing that. And caffeine and sodas is not that great for me. So that's all I have for today. Until next time, I will see you then. Bye.